Student, I hope you all are fine. This is your week 5th assignment, your class 6 and subject science. In day 4 lecture, we will discuss about the expansion of material. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about the today's objective. Student will be able to explain the concept of expansion with the help of example. Solid, liquid and gases all expand. Get bigger when they heated. When they cool down, the opposite happen. They contract, get smaller. Solid, liquid and gases all expand. Expand mean when something is get bigger, like balloon. When they heated, when they cool down, the opposite happen. They contract. Contract mean when things are smaller. Expansion. Expansion occur because heating gives atom and molecules more energy. All things, solid, liquid and gases are made up of molecules. So when we heat any solid, these atom and molecule gives more energy and they escape or they fall out with one another. This causes them to move faster and bump into each other more often and with a greater force. The increase in space between particles is the reason why solid, liquid and gases are expand. Gases expand more than solid and liquid expand more than solid. This point is important. Kindly note this. Gases expand. Expand means spread out more than solid, and liquid expand. Liquid expand mean liquid spread out. For example, water spread out more than solid. Expansion occurs because heating gives atom and molecules more energy. This causes them to move faster and bump into each other more often and with a greater force. The increase in space between particles is the reason why solid, gas, liquid and gases are expand. Because in between these particles there is a gap or space is increased, so that is why these particles, solid, liquid or gases are expand or spread out. Gases expand more than solid and liquid expand more than solid. Okay, this is the diagram of expansion in solid, expansion in liquid or expansion in gases. Expansion in solid, expansion mean spread out. Okay, metal bar. This is the metal bar. This is the metal bar. When metal bar is cold, it's clipped to its place heating. After heating, these metal bar is not fixed into this stand because after it has been heated, the bar is too big to fit it. Expansion in liquid. When the flask put water containing a dye, hot water put into a hot water, the water inside escape. When the flask, this is the flask and put into the water. When this flask is put into the hot water, the water inside the expand, it will prove that expansion in liquid. Expansion in gases. The warmth of your hand is enough to make the gases in the test tube expand a lot. As the gas is the test tube expand, some of it escape. For example, our hand is warm. When we hold this test tube, a lot of gases molecule or gas are expand in the test tube and some it escape or spread out.